Nakita ko dito ng finally mare-release mo na rin, 'no? You are already almost there. You're almost at the top of the hill, 'no? Mare-release mo na ang mga parang mga nagbibigay ng mga weights upon your shoulder, 'no? Yung mga bagay na nagpapabigat sa'yo, sa damdamin mo, 'no? But you know what I'm picking up? I'm getting two energies right here. It's like it's not just you na magda-drop ng mga burdens na 'to, 'no? I think there's also someone here that you're dealing with, 'no, na, magda-drop rin ng mga weights at mga burdens dito, 'no? So, let's see more. Thank you so much, Archangel Michael, angels and spirit guides, for being present here in this reading. I'm seeing, look at that, union, reunion right here. And whoever this individual is, kilalang kilala mo siya. It's the energy. You've known this person here. And I guess, with this big picture of love, you used to love this person here big time. Yeah. But tell me something more about this. Let's see. I think there's a clear understanding here about the situation. I saw the Hermit. I think parehas ninyong naiintindihan kung ano yung nangyayari. Whoever this person is that you're dealing with. Okay, so let's get to know more. Okay. So, hey there mga My Loves Collective. Thank you so much po sa patuloy at wala ninyong sawa na pagsuporta sa akin dito sa channel na to at sa mga new subscribers ay sa inyong lahat ako po siyan. Ayan ang mga babes, mga tayong gender dito, bae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo welcome. Pwede nyo rin i-flip yung roles if you want and of course, at the end of the day, you always have your free will. So dito, no, nakita ko, no, let's get straight to the point, no. We have here the Justice, Two of Wands energy. Okay, Ace of Swords, Five of Cups, and there's that Eight of Wands energy. Kung sino man tong energy na to, no? This is the energy here of someone you used to love before. There's great love na pinakita mo sa taong yan. Pero, it looks like this is something here na hindi siya yung meant for you. This person here is very specifically telling me na makikipag-usap itong tao na 'to, makikipagkita sa'yo 'tong ex mo na 'to, 'no? Or yung iba posibleng hindi niyo 'to ex, but this is someone here you used to love. There's great love na pinakita mo sa kanya, whether naging kayo or hindi naging kayo. But here, this person here, I think he or she knows your heart. Alam niya yung feelings mo sa kanya, alam niya yung nararamdaman mo para sa kanya, ano? But it's way back before. Yung great love na yun, yun yung feelings mo para sa kanya before niya, no? So, now, I think this is something here na posibleng nangyayari na ngayon or posibleng mangyayari pa lang because it's the energy that I'm picking up from here if timeline is what we're talking about. So, itong tao na to ay makikipag-usap, makikipagkita sa'yo no bago po siya ikasal. Meron akong nakikita ritong pag-iisang dibdib 'no, pero hindi ikaw at hindi rin siya yung nakikita ko, kundi siya at ibang tao 'no. So, nakikita ko rito that this person here is someone na na minahal mo ng sobra noon. Pero maaaring nagkaroon ng separation dito sa inyong dalawa 'no. So, this person here is malungkot siya 'no, kasi maaaring hindi naging maganda yung inyong separation before or dahil hindi niya rito magawa na mahalin kayo kagaya ng pagmamahal niyo sa kanya before, kasi may gano'n tayong energy na nakita. So, whether yung iba sa inyo naging ex niyo talaga 'to 'no, nasaktan niya kayo rito 'no, or yung iba naman puwedeng hindi naging kayo 'no, pero hindi niya kayang maibalik yung love ninyo for him or her noon 'no. Pero this person here, okey, gusto niya pa rin na parang makipagkita 'no, at makipag-usap sa inyo 'no. This is quite a long time coming here. This person is moving in, pretty slowly, pero papunta naman, tuloy-tuloy naman siya papunta rito 'no, sa iyong, energy. So, ibig sabihin tuloy na tuloy pa rin ang pakikipag-usap nitong tao sa'yo 'no. Kaya kung sino man 'to 'no, alam mo lumabas na rin naman talaga na naging espesyal ka rin sa kanya, So, kung sino man 'to, nakita ko rito 'no, na kasi may forgiveness tayong nakikita 'no. So, I think this person here, may nagawa siya if this is an ex, posibleng may nagawa siya sa'yo ritong hindi maganda, puwedeng naging cause ng separation ninyo before. Yung iba naman, puwedeng hindi mo naman siya naging ex 'no, pero yun nga 'no, parang feeling niya yung weight, yung burden sa balikat niya 'no is hindi niya kayang masuklian yung love na binibigay mo because it's so pure. Maybe nung time na yun, wala siyang feelings or maybe nung time na yun baka may gusto siyang iba or maybe nung time na yun 'no, sadyang sadyang hindi lang talaga nagtutugma 'no, yung inyong nararamdaman. So nakikita ko rito 'no, that this person here will talk to you at mangyayari ito bago siya maikasal with the person he or she with right now. So, nakikita ko rito na 'pag nakita mo siya, ang main energy mo is this Nine of Wands energy, okay? So, nakikita ko rito that after seeing this person here again, because you're gonna face this person here personally, face to face, 'no? Like physically makikita mo siya ulit, 'no? And with this, nakikita ko rito na magbabalik dito lahat ng alaala rito 'no. Hindi mo naman talaga maitatatwa na hindi naman lahat ng alaala mo with this person, hindi maganda. So, meron din talagang mga alaala rito na masasaya 'no. Kaya magkahalo rito yung mga nararamdaman mo sa nakikita ko after mong makita muli itong tao na 'to 'no. Nakaramdam ka rito ng parang disappointment kasi maririnig mo na ikakasal na siya 'no, and then yung iba kasi sa inyo, maaaring siya yung one great love mo before, pero posibleng meron ka pa ring natitirang love para sa kanya ngayon, and that's for others of you. For others of you, this is you na, ah, yun nga 'no, naging kayo man o hindi 'no, parang ikaw 'to, yung iba sa inyo may konting panghihinayang pa rin 'no. Yung iba naman puwedeng walang panghihinayang, accepted niyo naman na kasi hindi na nga gano'n ka-strong yung nararamdaman ninyo siguro dahil lumipas na yung panahon dito, lumipas na rin kasi yung oras 'no. So, nakita ko rito na magkakaroon kayo ng maayos na pag-uusap. Yung iba meron talagang natitira pa kayong love para sa kanya kaya may nakikita ako ditong konting kirot sa inyong heart 'pag narinig niyo talagang maikakasal na siya 'no, may gano'n pa rin. So, kahit i-deny mo 'yun or hindi 'no, kasi yung iba in denial about that, pero meron tayong nakita ditong konting kirot, 'di ba? So, your feelings are all valid, it's okay. Kasi hindi naman lahat ng memories mo with that person, pangit, eh. May mga magagandang ala-ala rin. And with this Page of Cups energy right here, nakikita ko rito that, this is something here that you will accept. Parehas ninyong aayusin yung inyong nakaraan. Nakikita ko ditong may pagpapatawad na maipapataw at nakikita ko rito na magkakaroon rito ng maayos na usapan. Ano man yung sasabihin niya sa'yo rito 'no, ay sadyang yun talaga yung gusto niyang sabihin 'no. Napakaisang emosyonal ng nakikita ko ritong usapan, so posibleng talagang maluha siya rito or umiyak siya 'no, kasi alam niya na parang nag-cause siya ng pain sa'yo. Yes, kahit dun sa iba na hindi naman naging kayo. Kasi naramdaman niya yung love mo for him or her, it's just that he or she feels guilty about it kasi hindi niya ito maibalik sa'yo. And for others of them, if that person is your ex, then this person here, ina-admit niya that you are one of the special person here na naging bahagi ng buhay niya. So, kailangan niyang ayusin yung kanya ritong past bago siya rito mag-move forward sa life niya. And this person here takes a lot of courage. Binuo niya talaga rito yung tapang niya bago siya humarap sa'yo. So, kailangan niyo man ito hindi, nakikita ko rito na ito ay mangyayari talaga. You will face again the person that you once loved. But what I love about this is that may pag-aayos. It's like this person here will definitely be wanting disclosure and ikaw 'to na puwedeng you try to hold back 'no. Pero it looks like there's something here na parang ayaw mo na magkaroon ng grudge, ayaw mo na magkaroon rito ng parang tanim ng sama ng loob 'no, you just want to reconcile with the past. Kasi gusto mo rin mag-move forward sa life mo. So, I'm seeing that both of you will agree with this closure, World card energy. There's definitely a closure that's gonna happen here. May pag-aayos rito 'no, nakikita ko rito that you will both reconcile, but you will not be friends anymore. So, this is not a sad ending though, because this is you. There's a part in your heart na hindi pa na-awakened. Pero that part is, ito rin yung kailangan mo, 'no? Na parang ito rin yung hinihintay 'no, deep within you, that part of yourself inside you, nakita ko rito 'no, na ito rin yung parang kailangan mo na para maka-move forward ka na rin sa life mo. Like, there's nothing in here, I also need to forward in my life, I need to let go, 'yan. So, parang yung pag-uusap na 'to nakikita ko nagiging maayos 'to. Nakita ko rito ng mga energies 'no, na posibleng, mag-hug pa kayong dalawa 'no. And then nakita ko rito na parang, may parehas kayo ritong pagngiti bago kayo maghiwalay or umuwi 'no, or mag-iba ng mga routes 'no, after this communication 'no. Parang it's like, so, is this that final goodbye? I guess so. Parang nakita kong gano'n yung pag-uusapan ninyo, 'no? So, I think this is really that final goodbye, 'no? That this is not a sad ending though. Because this is something here na parang you just, you just fix whatever it is that needs to be fixed. At tingin ko itong pag-uusap na 'to 'no, is parehas makakatulong para mas maka-move forward na kayong dalawa sa buhay ninyo. But there's already acceptance here. May dumaan na kasi ritong panahon, eh, may gap na kasi. So, meron na ritong pagtanggap na hindi talaga kayo for each other 'no. But this closure is gonna happen. That's what I'm seeing from here. And this is a communication na nakikita ko mag-end up ng maayos 'no. Either I'm seeing talaga baka may magyakap pa dito, yung yakap na final hug. Because you're wishing each other all the best in life and wala akong nakikitang kaplastikan sa parehas ninyong energy. It's like you both wish happiness for each other. And for some reason, parehas kayong parang may nabunutan ng malaking tinik. Parang gaan sa pakiramdam 'no, na nakipag-ayos ka sa past. Wala ka na talagang kailangang bitbitin sa future. I'm seeing you moving forward with the Chariot in here. Moving forward. And guess what? You're moving forward with your twin flame. The next person you're gonna meet is your twin flame. And that twin flame is someone that you will end up marrying with. Yes, there's marriage as well sa'yo. There's someone here for you guys. And others of you, I'm really glad to see this because you've already met this person here. Okay? Wow. So I'm seeing you reconciling with the past, ending it, but I'm seeing that both of you will definitely create this new beginning with your lives and you will be so happy. Yeah, with the new person. Wow. So I like it because you're brave enough to fix the situation right here that you might be scared to face before, no? Pero ito yung bagay na parang ang sarap sa pakiramdam, no? Pag wala ka ritong binibitbit na kahit na anong parang sama ng loob, no? From the past. It's like, this is you. You feel like you are being reborn. And masarap to sa feeling kasi pagdating ng bagong tao sa buhay mo, this twin flame of yours, or yung iba dumating na nga ito eh, no? Yung wala kang kahit na anong dinadalang mabigat sa loob mo, no? Minamahal mo lang tong bagong tao ng malaya. Diba? Wow! So, claim this beautiful message right here, sweethearts, because I know that you deserve this, okay? So, please do check out other channels. Muli ako po si Yan. Thank you so much and saranghayo. Love and light. 안녕.